First thing here, at the bottom of this video will be the parts list, and it'll tell you how many pieces of wire you need and what length. I'm using some old house wire I've got here, some 12-2 with ground. It's nice to use this because you've got all three colors. You've got your unshielded ground, which is just copper wire, then you've got the black wire, and you've got the white wire. Now you don't necessarily need that. You can use whatever wire you have as long as it's heavy enough. 12-2 is what I use, but I'm also using all LEDs, so I only need one plug to run the entire box. If you were running some of the old type filament bulbs, you might want to go ahead and just split your box and use two plugs. Use 24 on one and 24 on the other. But for mine here, I'm just going to put all 48 of them on the one wire. Some old house wiring, you can buy one of these strippers down at the local hardware store for just a couple of bucks. All it's got is just one sharp point in here. Just pull your wire out, put it on, press it in, and pull it down. And that'll split it. Then take your paper insulation off of the copper wire. I'll cut the trash off. Now at the moment the black wires are all I'm still needing. I just cut one the length that I need, and then I just use that just to cut the others. Now be sure to use the same one to measure with every time, or they could start growing on you or getting shorter. So that's all I need right at the moment. And now we're going to put one of the gang boxes together.